Hello everyone. So once again one more problem for all pair shortest path using dynamic programming. Here we have a graph G which is converted into adjacency matrix and is copied to A as per the algorithm. Now let us start solving the algorithm using the principle of optimality equation written here. That is A of ij is equal to minimum of A of ik plus A of kj. Indirect cost, direct cost. Whichever is minimum, we will consider between each pair of vertices. Now let us start solving the problem. Assume that the graph, the initial cost adjacency matrix is treated as A0. Now let us start solving from A1, A2 and A3. Now assume that this is A0. So this is A1 and let us write as per the space, let us write it on the board. Okay. Now let us start solving problem. When I am taking A1, that means what? You want to calculate as a via vertex 1. So as we know already, in via vertex 1, the first row and first column will have same values. There is no change, that's why let us minimize the work. So 0, 5, infinity, infinity, 0, 5, infinity, infinity, and 0, 5, 3, 15, and we know already we don't have any data for self edges, so the self edges means what? 0. There is no edge for self. Now let us calculate the remaining values, that is 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 2, 3 to 4, and 4 to 2 and 4 to 3. Okay, so let us start writing the procedure one by one, right? So first A of 2 to 3. So what is the 2 to 3 cost? So we already know A of 2 to 3 is equal to minimum of A of 2 to 3 comma A of 2 to 1 plus A of 1 to 3. This is what we want to solve, right? Now what is the A of 2 to 3 cost? The 2 to 3 cost is 15 and 2 to 1 cost is what? 5 plus 1 to 3 cost infinity. So no change. So take it as it is. So the as it is cost will be what? 15. Now check it one more. Same story once again, but let me do for the clarification. Yeah. Now once again for this value, that is A of 2 comma 4 is equal to minimum A of 2 comma 4, 2 comma 1 and 1 comma 4. So what we do? 2 comma 4 cost is what? 5. 2 comma 1 cost is what? 5 plus 1 comma 4 cost is what? Infinity. No change. Take it as it is. Now next 3 to 1. The 3 to 1 cost let us calculate next. Yeah. So the 3 to 1 cost is what? So 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. So what is 3 comma 2 cost? Infinity. Okay. Now 3 comma 1 cost is what? 3 plus 1 comma 2 cost is what? 5. Now here there is a change. So update it. So whenever there is a change, we just note it down whenever there is a with circle, so that to identify how many changes we have done. Right? Next. So the next value will be once again continue with the same procedure. Okay. So that in order to show and writing this. Next. So this is what? 3 to 4. Now 3 comma 4 is equal to minimum of 3 comma 4, 3 comma 1 and 1 comma 4. Right? So 3 comma 4 cost is what? 15. 3 comma 1 cost is what? 3. And 1 comma 4 cost is what? Infinity. So there is no change. Are we clear? So there is no change. Right? So 3 to 4 we don't have any change. Next 4 to 2 cost. So 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. So what will be written? 4 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. Yeah. So 4 comma 2 cost is what? Infinity, comma 4 comma 1 cost is what? 15 plus 1 comma 2 cost is 5. Then the cost is 20. There is an update. So change the value. Very good. Then one more time please. The last time for this iteration. So here what we do, once again the last time, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 1, 1 comma 3. So what is the 4 comma 3 cost? 5 comma 4 comma 1 cost is 15. So definitely it will be more. So no change. So take it as it is. So the as it is cost is 5. So we have calculated A1 from A0. So similarly we will calculate A2, A3 and A4, right? So let us start solving this one by one. So by the end of this problem, you should be in the sleep also. You can tell the principle of optimality equation for all pair shortest path, yes or no, because we are doing so many times. Now A1 way. Now let us calculate A2. So in A2 what you do, once again second row, second column, there is no change, right? Take it as it is. 5 0 15 5, 5 0 15 5, 5 0 8 20, and self adjust zeros. So remaining values, let us start solving this one by one. Okay, so let us start solving. So that is next 1 2 3 cost, right? So 1 comma 3, 1 comma 3. Now the intermediate vertex is 2, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. So what is the cost? 1 comma 3 cost? 1 comma 3, that from do now starts watching from here. When you are calculating A1, A0 is an input. Now when you are calculating A2, A1 is an input, right? So 1 comma 3 infinity, 1 comma 2 5 plus 2 comma 3 15 20. There is a change. So 20 update, clear? Right, next one more time. A of the next one, A of 1 comma 4 is equal to minimum of A of 1 comma 4 comma A of 4 comma 2 plus 2 comma 4 comma, sorry, so 1 comma 4, so I comma j. So what is the situation? I comma k, k comma j, right? So here we have to write 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. So instead of traveling from 1 to 4, we will travel from 1 to 2 and 2 to 4. So 1 to 4 cost is what? Infinity. Now 1 to 2 cost is what? 5. 2 to 4 cost is what? 5. Totally 10. So there is one more change. So please update this. So wherever there is a change, I am marking a circle so that we can identify easily in future. So now the first row is completed. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 values. Let us do it little fast. So let me reuse these places. So for your understandability, I am again and again writing all the principle of optimality equations. Please pay attention. Right? So now here what? 3 comma 1. Here 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 2 comma 1. That is, instead of 3 to 1 directly, 3 to 2 and 2 to 1. So 3 to 1 cost is what? Say 3 to 1 cost is what? 3. 3 to 2 cost is what? 8. 2 to 1 cost is what? 5. There is a big no change as it is. So 3. Now similarly 15, right? So in the 15 what you write? Now 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Yeah. So 3 to 4, 3 to 2, 2 to 4. 3 to 2 and 2 to 4. So what is 3 to 4 cost? 15. 3 to 2 cost is what? 8. Okay, then 2 to 4 cost is what? 5. 8 plus 5, 13. So there is a change. So 13, please update it and circle it. Of course, a small change, but we have to update. Is it clear? So 3 to 2, the cost is 8. And 2 to 4, the cost is 5. 8 plus 5, 13. The direct cost was 3 to 4. 15 is updated with indirect cost 13. Now finally one more last 2 times. Let us do it fast. So please using formula try to solve the problem instead of directly watching it in on the group. So straight away, yeah, so 4 to 1 and one more is what? 4 to 3. Let us start. 4 to 1 is what? 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 2 comma 3. So what is 4 comma 1 cost? 15, comma 4 comma 2 cost is what? 20. So anyway 20 plus 2 comma 1 cost is what? 5. So it is bigger than 15. No change, take it as it is. Then similarly 4 comma 3 cost is what? 5. 4 comma 2 cost is 20. 2 comma 3 cost is 15, totally 35. No change. So take it as it is, that is 5. So in A2 we got 3 changes. Okay, now let us do it A3. Right? So let me by the end of the problem, at least I am almost 25 times I am solving the formula so that it will be easy to remember the principle of optimality equation. Right, now next I want to calculate A3. So now for A3, A2 is an input. Okay, so don't please watch only this for calculating this. Right? Right. Now as we know, third row, third column as it is. Okay, so the third row values are what? 3, 8, 0, 50. 3, 8, 0, 13. Third column 20, 15, 0, 5 and 0, 0, 0 self edges. And for the remaining values, let us calculate directly fast. Okay, so let us substitute here please very fastly. So what is here? 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1. So what is 2 comma 1 cost? So watch it here please. So 2 comma 1 cost is 5, 2 comma 3 cost is 15, 3 comma 1 cost is 3, 18, no change. So write it as it is. So instead of, so 2 to 1, there is no change. So 2 to 1 I have checked actually. You can check other directly, right? So the 2 to 1 cost is what? 5. So you can change in any order, just I am following some order, that's it. Right? Next. 2 to 4, So 2 comma 4, via 3, 2 comma 3 plus 3 comma 4. 2 comma 4 cost is what? 2 comma 4 cost is 2 comma 4, 5 comma 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 is 15 plus 3 comma 4 is 30. 28, no change, 5 as it is. Actually I have solved the second row first before the first row. Please don't worry. Now let us solve the first row, no problem. Right? So the first row is what? 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 cost is what? 1 comma 2 cost is 5. Then 1 comma 3 plus 3 comma 2. What is 1 comma 3 cost? 20. 3 comma 2 cost 8. 28. No change. 5 as it is. Right? right? Next 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 3 plus 3 comma 4. What is 1 comma 4 cost? 10, comma 1 comma 3 cost is what? 20 plus 3 comma 4 cost is what? 13, 33, bigger than the previous cost, no change, right? Now don't worry, we have two more values. Let's expect the change. Minimum one change we'll expect. Yeah. Next. Now finally 4 to 1. 4 to 1 cost is what? 4 to 1 cost 15. Yeah. So now 4 comma 3 plus 3 comma 1. 4 comma 3 5 plus 3 comma 1 3. 8. Success. There is a change. So we got a change. We are circling it. Now the last one more time, let us do it. Yeah. So the one more time is what? 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2. 4 comma 2 cost is what? 20 comma 4 comma 3 plus 3 comma 2. What is 4 comma 3 cost? 5 plus 3 comma 2 cost 8, 13. There is a change. Success. There is a change. So don't worry. You have to try till the last value. Definitely each and every iteration minimum one value will change. Okay. So we almost solved A3. Now final step, that is A4. Right? Yeah. So let me write here A4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is A4. Now as we know, at the A4 what we have to do? Fourth row, fourth column, there will be no change. So write it as it is. 8, 13, 5, 0. 8, 13, 5, 0. The fourth column, 10. Yeah. So 10, 5, 13, 0. So there will not be any change in the diagonals. The diagonal values will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Now the remaining values we have to solve. Let us solve using principle of optimality equation little fast, please. Check. Let's start solving. Yeah. So first 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 4 plus 4 comma 2. So what is 1 comma 2 cost? So we already know when you are taking A4, A3 is an input. Right? Please watch this matrix. Yeah. So 1 comma 2 cost is what? 5. 1 comma 4 cost is what? So 10. 4 comma 2 cost is what? 13. 23. No change. Next. So the no change means 5 as it is. Next 1 to 3 cost 1 to 3 comma 1 to 4 plus 4 to 3. So the 1 to 3 cost 20 comma 1 to 4 cost 10, 4 to 3 cost 5. There is a change. Success. You can observe here 1 to 3 cost is what? 20. 1 to 4 cost is 10. 4 to 3 cost is 5. That means what? Instead of traveling directly from 1 to 3, you are traveling from 1 to 4 and 4 to 3. You got a reduced cost. Please update it. So the updated cost I am marking it. Next. So similarly, let us quickly check the remaining values so that to complete the entire problem. Yeah. So it is a bit lengthy problem because it is 4 vertex. Okay. Yeah. Next, the value is what? 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4 plus 4 comma 4 comma 1. So 2 comma 1 cost is what? 5. 2 comma 4 cost is what? 5. 4 comma 1 cost is what? 80, 30. No change. So no change. Take it as it is. Next 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 cost. What is 2 comma 3 cost? 15 comma 2 comma 4 plus 4 comma comma 4 cost is what? 5. 4 to 3 cost is what? 5. There is a change. Please observe. 2 to 3 cost 15. 2 to 4, 5. 4 to 3, 5. 10. There is an update. So whenever there is an update, please update it. Right? The last two values, let us solve quickly in the last iteration. Yeah. Next. So 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1 comma 3 comma 4 plus 4 comma 1. Right? Let us solve it. 3 comma 1 cost is what? 3. 3 comma 4 cost is what? 13 plus 8. No change. So 3 will be as it is. Because there is a 21 is bigger, direct cost is bigger than the direct cost. Now the last one, 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 plus 4 comma 2. What is 3 comma 2 cost? 8. Comma 3 comma 4 cost is what? 13 plus 13, 26. There is no change. Keep it as it is. So what is 3 comma 2 cost? 8 without any change. So this is an updated final matrix A4 using all pair shortest path. And the principle of optimality equation is A of I comma j is equal to minimum of A of I comma j direct cost, I comma k and k comma j indirect cost. K is an intermediate vertex. So we have solved the all pair shortest path using dynamic programming algorithm, and the stepwise we have done in the first step, copied adjacency matrix to A, and then we have solved from A0 to A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay, so for the algorithm, please refer the previous videos we have explained in detail. Thank you so much. See you in the next section. Thank you.